Our Constitution has given the legislature the power and obligation to discipline its own ranks. We live by the principle that a public office is a public trust. The Committee on Ethics is a mechanism to hear complaints against members of the Senate. It is not a weapon for those who have ulterior motives and political agenda. I assure everyone here and our people that the committee will be fair and impartial. There will be no stones left unturned, but in the process, we will see to it that all rights will be protected.
Formal lang binuksan at isinagawa ang organizational meeting ng Senate Committee on Ethics and Privileges ngayong araw sa pangangasiwa ni Senador J.V. Ejercito. Ito ay sa gitna ng nasa 6 na ethics complaints laban sa ilang senador na nagsimulang ihain noon pang nakaraang taon at ilang buwan nang nakabinbin sa komite. Gayunman, nagpahayag si Ejercito ng pagtanggap sa hamon na pamumuno ng komite at patas na pagtatalakay ng mga reklamo laban sa mga kapwa senador.